Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick comparison review about these two software accounting platform, which is Dext and Zoho Book. I'm going to create a quick overview about the platform, the strength, the drawback of this platform, and the overall conclusion to help you make an informed decision on which of this platform would be a better option for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick overview, Dext is a document management and a automation platform built for accounts and business owners. It extracts organized financial data from receipt, invoice, and bank statements, syncing it with other account software. And that's for Dext. That's just the basic of what they do. Now, talking about Zoho Book on the other side, is a cloud-based accounting software designed for small to medium-sized business. It offers full-service accounting features like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and inventory together with a tax filing. So to check out the strength and the weakness for both platforms, starting with Dext as the first comparison, the first platform to review the strength and the weakness of this platform. So starting with the strength, it has a powerful document scanning and data extraction, which is Dext. Dext also has this seamless integration with a QuickBooks, Xero, and other platform, which make it work simultaneously. It also save times by automate your repetitive bookkeeping task. And here's the quick drawback about this platform. It is not a stand-alone accounting solution. Also, there's no built-in features for invoicing, payroll, and reporting. Also, it can be expensive for small business not already using accounting software before, so you might find it difficult to use it because of the price plan about this platform. Now, talking about the Zoho Book on the other side, revealing the strength of this platform, it has a full features accounting, invoicing, together with the bank sync, inventory, and tax compliances. Talking about the interface, it has an intuitive UI with automation features like recurring billing, part of this large Zoho ecosystem for easy CRM and project management integration. Now, talking about the downside about this platform, the learning curve for users unfamiliar with Zoho interface can be a total drawback for them. Also, some advanced features are locked behind higher type plan. So if you want a good features, higher features that can help you get things done, you have to pay more for that. Also, it lacks the deep automation that Dext offer for document processing. So that's it. Now here's my overall conclusion about these two platforms. So you can just simply go for Dext if you are if your priority is automating the collection and processing of receipt, invoicing, and financial documents, which is especially if you are using another accounting system. Now, you can simply go for Zoho Book if you need all in one budget-friendly accounting platform with billing, reporting, compliances, with features built in. So that's just it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.